Emva kwenyanga amaqela angama-64 elwelwa indebe kasodolophu waseKouga. iJeffreys Bay zintshatsheli zale ndebe emva kokubetha iKouga United ngamanqaku 3-0 kumdlalo obungekho lula.
I can say I'm happy, Chief. Game yona bingekho easy, and it means I have a side whereby I have more experienced players whereby I use them bayibengaba bazokwazi usicontroller igame. And ne division esidlala kuyo badlala lesajana division yethu, so that experience of playing in a higher division to combat them, it also work for us, boss. And what I emphasize to my players is that they must be calm each and every time, because you know when you are playing with a team under Wena, there's that pressure, because we have nothing to lose, we have to go all out. It means enough to be calm, and then we're to control the game.
Firstly, I would like to thank God for this opportunity. Secondly, I would like to thank my teammates, the organizers of this tournament, the management of my team, everyone who contributed everything for this tournament to come through. I thank everyone. And secondly, I'd like to thank my teammates, because we're here today. It's because our fighting spirit has been on higher spirit from the day one up until now. I'm glad for my team to achieve this. And I just want to say, guys, keep on going, man. We're going to go high if you keep on like this.
Okay, coach, first of all, we wish to congratulate opponent JB Stars for winning the tournament, Mayor's Cup. Yes, we try to plan against them. During the week, we played, we know them, how they play. We told our players that they must not give them respect. But unfortunately, our players, they did take instruction. But here and there, they give away the plan. So we end up conceding an early goal through the respect that we give to them. So we end up making a lot of changes, trying to balance the game.
We lost position. That's what happened. We lost control of the game. Then they managed to score us early goals, meaning we lost concentration. Early goals. We didn't manage and switch on, and every time. Every moment when we start a goal, maybe from 20 minutes, we have to concentrate a lot. That's where the game starts.
Abakhokheli bemanyano yebhola ekhatywayo eKouga bathi bayavuya ngendlela eqhube ngayo le tumente.
As a Kouga LFA, we are very happy today because this tournament was a successful one. Out of 64 teams, it was a very successful one. At the end, this year's one was exciting, was competitive, more than all of them we have been playing all of these years. So we are very happy.
As LFA, we are very happy and excited about this tournament. Our excitement comes from the fact that in the whole of Sarah Parban, we are the only municipality with 20 sporting codes that are participating for this Mayoral Cup.
Usodolophu walo masipala uphantsi kwesithili Sarah Parban uyayincoma naye indlela ehambe ngayo le tumente yaye ukwabulela nabahlali ngokuyixhasa.
Yes, no, I'm very happy. Congratulations to the JB team. They are really great. The JB Stars, they are also going, playing. We're hoping to get them into the Vodacom Cup, and I want to ask our residents to please come and support them as well. In about 2 weeks' time, they're going to be playing here for in a semi-final, and we're really wishing them all the well. And congratulations to them, and also congratulations to the Kouga Football Club for reaching the final. It is a great tournament, 68 teams again, and just from Kouga, and it's really wonderful to see them all here and participate, and all the young people that support and all of that. It's really wonderful for us as a municipality as well. And next weekend we've got some more other sporting codes in their finals, so we're really looking forward to that as well. And so really just thankful for the great support from our community. I think our community is what makes us special, and they're really pulling behind us and getting behind the players and the sports and so on. Yeah, so it's really wonderful.
Iqela eJeffreys Bay lifumene imbasa, indebe kunye nesixamali esingama-12 ze lona iqela eKouga lafumana ama-8,000 eerandi kunye nembasa kwiindaba ze-MPK TV. Lingelethu Gcwabe eJeffreys Bay.